lighting is atrocious looking on me, but it is morning. It is my second day here in Morgantown with my parents. I have a meeting this morning in about 5 minutes, so I'm up in my room waiting for the phone call. It's a phone meeting. Anyways, I am wearing a big robe over my pajamas. I have yet to get dressed. So anyhow, I'm going to have my meeting, and then I'm going to take my shower, and then I'm going to get my day started. Now the last touch of getting ready, I'm going to put my new hearing aids in. I love these things. I got my ears in. I don't know if you guys can even see them. But anyways, I'm headed downstairs. I pulled my hair up. I'm sweating to death today. Can you see this furniture? It's been mine since I was 14 years old. It's 80s, really majorly 80s. But I think I actually got it, well, no, it was 80s. Can you believe that? Well, anyways, I'm going to go downstairs and get me something cold to drink and wait for my folks. They should be home shortly.
Real tall.
What now?
I was trying to decide what that building is.
Where?
Way over there. Like the picture with the water.
When I went with Bob, we go clear. See, he said mud. He said just the mud.
Mm-hmm.
guys, I am back from Cooper's Rocks. We had a fantastic trip. It's been 27 years since I've been to Cooper's Rocks, so it was a real treat today. And let's see, afterwards we came down off the mountain basically and went to McDonald's for supper this evening. And so I'm going to wrap up the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed spending a little bit of time with me today. I hope y'all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll be seeing you all again soon. Bye guys.